Constitution of India MCQ quiz. Who is known as the chairman of the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution? Jawaharlal Nehru, B.R. Ambedkar, Rajendra Prasad, Sardar Patel. And the right answer is from which country was the concept of fundamental rights borrowed? United States, United Kingdom, France, Ireland. And the right answer is the Constitution of India came into force on which day? Republic Day, Independence Day, Constitution Day, Gandhi Jayanti. And the right answer is which part of the Indian Constitution deals with fundamental rights? Part 2, Part 3, Part 4, Part V. And the right answer is which article of the Constitution deals with the right to equality? Article 12, Article 14, Article 19, Article 21. And the right answer is the preamble of the Indian Constitution declares India to be which type of state? Federal only, unitary only, sovereign socialist secular democratic republic, monarchical republic. And the right answer is which body is the guardian of the Constitution of India? Parliament, Supreme Court, President, Election Commission. And the right answer is which schedule of the Constitution contains the list of states and union territories? First schedule, second schedule, seventh schedule, eighth schedule. And the right answer is how many fundamental rights are currently guaranteed by the Constitution? 5, 6, 7, 8. And the right answer is which amendment introduced the words socialist and secular in the preamble? 42nd Amendment, 44th Amendment, 52nd Amendment, 61st Amendment. And the right answer is which article provides for the abolition of untouchability? Article 15, Article 16, Article 17, Article 18. And the right answer is the directive principles of state policy are inspired by which country? USA, Ireland, UK, France. And the right answer is which part of the Constitution deals with directive principles of state policy? Part 3, Part 4, Part V, Part 6. And the right answer is who administers the oath of office to the President of India? Prime Minister, Chief Justice of India, Vice President, Speaker of Lok Sabha. And the right answer is which article deals with the right to constitutional remedies? Article 19, Article 21, Article 32, Article 226. And the right answer is the Indian Constitution is best described as rigid, flexible, neither rigid nor flexible, unwritten. And the right answer is which amendment lowered the voting age from 21 to 18 years? 42nd Amendment, 44th Amendment, 61st Amendment, 73rd Amendment. And the right answer is Which list in the 7th schedule contains subjects of national importance? State list, concurrent list, union list, residuary list. And the right answer is, who was the first president of the Constituent Assembly? Rajendra Prasad, Jawaharlal Nehru, B.R. Ambedkar, Sardar Patel. And the right answer is, which article defines the term state in the Constitution? Article 12, Article 13, Article 14, Article 15. And the right answer is, which organ of the Constitution is responsible for making laws? Judiciary, Executive, Legislature, Election Commission. And the right answer is, which amendment is known as the mini-constitution? 42nd Amendment, 44th Amendment, 52nd Amendment, 73rd Amendment. And the right answer is, which fundamental right was removed by the 44th Constitutional Amendment? Right to equality, right to freedom, right to property, right against exploitation. And the right answer is, the 8th schedule of the Constitution deals with languages, tribes, land reforms, finance commission. And the right answer is, which article provides for a uniform civil code? Article 42, Article 44, Article 48, Article 51. And the right answer is,